Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I am going to make Jeera Aloo. For that I have taken 6 to 7 medium size aloo, boiled and cut it into big chunks. Mustard seeds, green chilli and ginger chopped, cumin seeds, little bit of garam masala, little bit of chaat masala. If you have amchur powder, you can add amchur powder. I don't have amchur powder, so I'm going to add lime juice at the end of the preparation. Turmeric powder, chilli powder, hing powder. This is Dhania Jeera powder. Finally, garnishing with coriander leaves, salt, and oil. I am adding coconut oil. I don't have curry leaves, so if you have curry leaves, you can add curry leaves also. Mustard seeds goes in. When it splutters, add the jeera. You can add curry leaves at this time. Green chilli and ginger. Dhania jeera powder, haldi, hing powder, chili powder, little bit of water, salt goes in, and potatoes. Give a good mix. Add the chaat masala and garam masala also. Mix well. Cover and cook this for 5 minutes so that the masala will get blended to the potato well. The aloo jeera is ready. We'll add some lime juice and then garnish with coriander leaves. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you are watching the channel for the first time, do subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and press the all button and bell icon so that you will get the notifications as soon as I upload the video. Thank you once again. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.